Your Ireland study visa application letter is one of the key documents that can strengthen your student visa application. It explains your study plans, financial support, and your reason for choosing Ireland. In this video, we will write it step by step. Check this out. Sender information. The first part of the letter is your personal contact information. For example, Michael Thompson, 45 Maple Avenue, Toronto, Ontario. 5V2T6, Canada. Phone +16 47 555 1234. Email michaelthompson@email.com. This information must match your passport and visa application documents exactly. Even a small inconsistency can create confusion during processing. Date. Next, write the date using the standard Irish format. For example, May 15th, 2026. The date is important because it establishes when your application letter was prepared and submitted. Recipient information. For example, Visa Officer, Irish Naturalisation and Immigration Service, INIS. Embassy of Ireland, Canada House, 5 Grosvenor Square, London W1K4AE, United Kingdom. This ensures the letter is formally directed to the correct Irish immigration authority. Always verify the exact embassy or consulate handling your application. Subject line. The subject line immediately informs the visa officer about the purpose of your letter. Subject: Application for Ireland Study Visa. This helps immigration staff quickly identify your application type during processing. Keep it short, clear, and professional. Salutation. Begin the letter with, "Dear Visa Officer." This is the correct formal salutation for Irish visa application letters. Because you do not know the specific officer's name, this is the most appropriate and professional greeting. Opening paragraph. Now introduce your purpose. Write, "I am writing to respectfully apply for an Ireland study visa to pursue my studies at name of college, university in Ireland." For example, I am writing to respectfully apply for an Ireland study visa to pursue my studies at Trinity College, Dublin in Ireland. This opening immediately tells the visa officer why you are writing. It creates clarity from the very first sentence. Personal and admission details. Next, provide your personal identification and program details. For example, my name is Michael Thompson, born on the 8th of March 2002, and I am a citizen of Canada, holding passport number CA 7845123. I have been officially accepted into the Master of Data Analytics program at University College Dublin, with my program scheduled to commence on the 1st of September 2026 and conclude on the 30th of June 2028. This paragraph is extremely important because it confirms your identity and proves you have received legitimate admission. The visa officer uses this information to cross-check your official acceptance documents. Why you chose Ireland. Now explain your academic motivation. For example, I have chosen Ireland as my study destination because of its internationally recognized education system, strong academic reputation, and excellent learning environment. After careful research, I selected University College Dublin because of its outstanding academic standards and its specialized program in data science, which aligns with my educational background and long-term career goals. This paragraph demonstrates genuine academic purpose. Irish visa officers want to know that your reason for traveling is truly educational and not simply immigration-related. Be specific and honest. Academic background. Now explain your educational qualifications. For example, my academic background includes a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science from the University of Toronto and 2 years of internship experience in data analysis. I believe that completing this program will enhance my professional skills and provide valuable international academic exposure that will support my future career plans in Canada's technology sector. This section proves you are academically prepared. It also shows logical progression in your education. Visa officers carefully assess whether your chosen program makes sense based on your academic history. Financial support section. This is one of the most critical parts of the entire letter, because Irish immigration authorities must be satisfied that you can financially support yourself. Choose the option that matches your situation. If self-funded, write, "I will personally finance my tuition fees, accommodation, living expenses, travel costs, and other related expenses during my studies in Ireland." Supporting bank statements and financial documents are attached. Use this if you are paying for everything yourself. If sponsored by parent or family member, write. For example, my studies and living expenses will be fully sponsored by David Thompson, who is my father. Their financial documents, sponsorship declaration, and proof of relationship are attached to support this application. Use this if a family member is covering your expenses. If scholarship funded, write, I have been awarded a scholarship from scholarship provider, institution name, which covers full partial tuition fees and living expenses. Official scholarship documentation is attached. Use this if your education is funded through an official scholarship. This section is legally significant because insufficient proof of funds is one of the most common reasons for student visa refusal. Accommodation details. For example, I have arranged accommodation at Belgrove Student Residence, University College Dublin, for the duration of my studies. This reassures the visa officer that your living arrangements are secure. Future plans. Now explain what you will do after graduation. For example, upon completion of my studies, I intend to return to Canada to apply the knowledge and skills gained in Ireland toward my professional career in data science. This is essential. Irish immigration authorities want evidence that you intend to leave Ireland after your authorized stay. This helps demonstrate temporary student intent. Compliance statement. Now include, I assure you that I will fully comply with all Irish immigration regulations and the conditions of my student visa throughout my stay. This is your formal declaration of compliance. It shows respect for Irish immigration law. Closing request. Next, write, I kindly request that my application be considered favorably. Please do not hesitate to contact me should additional information or documentation be required. This is a respectful and professional closing request. It shows confidence while remaining polite. Formal closing. End with, yours faithfully, then leave space for your signature if printed. After that, write your full name. Yours faithfully is the correct formal closing because the letter is addressed to Dear Visa Officer. Attachment section. Finally include passport copy, letter of acceptance from Irish institution, tuition fee payment receipt if applicable, financial evidence, sponsorship letter if applicable, scholarship letter if applicable, proof of accommodation, academic certificates and transcripts, English language proficiency certificate, travel or health insurance documentation if applicable. These supporting documents strengthen your application and verify every claim made in your letter. Before submitting your Ireland study visa application letter, carefully review all information for accuracy and consistency. Every date, name, passport number, and supporting document must match perfectly. A professional, accurate, and honest letter can make a strong positive impression on the visa officer reviewing your application. That's all for this guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others preparing their Ireland student visa application, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more professional document writing tutorials.